Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. For today's video, I have my face palette collection, I guess is what I'm going to call this. This is going to include highlighting palettes, blush palettes, bronzer palettes, just kind of like palettes that you would, products that you would apply to your face. So this is not eyeshadow palettes. If you guys want to see that, just let me know down below and I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. But before I get started though, I did want to apologize and just come on here and say that I do apologize for not posting a video in the past couple weeks. I've kind of had a lot going on. I was in the ER a couple weeks ago and just health related things, and I'm fine and everything. But if you want to kind of hear, I guess, what happened and whatnot, you can either check out my Instagram, which I will, it's always linked down below as well at the end of this video, or if you guys want me to do a whole separate video just kind of explaining where I've been and what's been going on, let me know and I will be, again, more than happy to do that for you. But yeah, I've just had health issues, and I recently started again with college. Your college classes have started again, so just been busy with that and just a lot going on in my personal life. But yeah, I thought I would come on here and just share with you guys my face palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and just share with you guys the palette that way, opposed to me holding up a palette and showing you. But so let me know what style you like better, if you prefer me just holding up the palette and showing you that way, or if you prefer, me just not on camera and just showing you guys the palettes. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to share with you guys my face palettes. Alright, this is kind of an overview of my face palettes. So I have quite a few of them, as you can see. Favorites are probably the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits. I think they are amazing, and especially I think they work well if you have a variety of different skin tones. So this first one is the Sugar Glow Kit, which did come out this past holiday season, but I believe it's permanent to their collection. So there's that one. Moving on, I do have the Too Faced Bonjour Soleil little palette here, and this came out several years ago, but I believe you can buy all of these products individually, and it just comes with the Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer, the Sun Bunny and Snow Bunny, and then a little brush here, and it's really cute. This is perfect for traveling, and I do enjoy the formula of this. Another glow kit. This is the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, and this one I don't use as often as my other ones, but I still do like it. So this is what that one looks like. Like I said, I don't use this as often as my other glow kits, but I do enjoy it, and I think the formula is nice. This is my first glow kit that I ever purchased from Anastasia. This is the Gleam one, and I don't believe you can purchase this anymore, but this is one of my personal favorites, and I just think it kind of made me fall in love with the glow kits, and I just think this is a all-around good glow kit, and I wish they would bring it back because I love it. I do have the Becca and Jaclyn Hill face palette. This is the, what is this even called? This is the Champagne Collection face palette, and I'm sure all of you have seen what this looks like on the inside, but for those of you who haven't, this is what it looks like. You get 3 different blushes here and 2 of the Shimmering Skin Perfectors and Champagne Pop, as well as Prosecco Pop. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it, especially for the spring and summer months. I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow little palette here. This is great for traveling because it does have a blush, bronzer, and highlight all in one. And I know a lot of people didn't like this little palette, but I actually really did. The blush isn't like super intense or anything, but I like layering this with other blushes and highlighters, and yeah. But overall, I do really enjoy this little palette. Another glow kit from Anastasia is the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. This I don't believe you can purchase anymore, but this is what it looks like. I actually really do enjoy this formula as well. It's kind of I do like this formula. The only negative thing that I would say about this is that I wish that you could pop out the pans of the highlighters like the other ones, but that's okay. I do enjoy this one. I have the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and this is amazing. I love layering these with, you know, eyeshadows, kind of transforming them, or I like wearing them as just face highlights overall. And I like the packaging too. It's pretty small and sleek and easy to find in my collection. Next we do have the Becca Champagne Glow little trio here that came out a couple holiday seasons ago. And this was a collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. You do get Pearl, Champagne Pop, and Blushed Copper, which I don't typically reach for Blushed Copper, but the other two I do really like, and I think this is a really nice trio. This is from Makeup Revolution or Revolution, and this is a blush palette in Hot Spice. Now, I don't really find myself reaching for this, but I do like having it on hand, especially like if I want to, you know, try out a different blush and, you know, it's not one that I would typically gravitate towards. These are really nice because they are affordable, and I just overall like the formula of these. They are pretty pigmented, and, you know, like I said, they're by Makeup Revolution, which is pretty affordable. I have another one from Revolution or Makeup Revolution, and this one is in the shade Sugar and Spice. And this one is definitely more pinky toned blushes, which again I don't typically gravitate towards. I prefer the other one over this one, but this is nice when I want a pop of color, and again it's super affordable and it's easy and compact. So if you're like a makeup artist or somebody who, you know, does other people's makeups, I think this would be amazing because you would have literally every blush shade that you would ever need. I have the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit, and this one is really, really pretty as well. I would say I prefer probably this one over the Aurora one, but I do love this one, and I love them both. But yeah, I need to use this more, and I actually kind of forgot that I had this, so I need to pull that back out and start using it. I have the Becca Christy Teigen little face palette here, and this came out around the summer of last year, and I don't know if this is still available, but it's super pretty. You do get a couple of shimmering skin perfectors as well as a blush and a bronzer, and I absolutely love the bronzer. And yeah, I would highly recommend this palette if you can still get it. Very compact and easy to travel with as well. And the last two palettes are another Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sun Dipped one, and this is so pretty, especially if you have tan or deep skin tone. I think this would be absolutely beautiful on your complexion. You have some really nice deep shades, and I think this would work for a variety of skin tones, and overall I absolutely love this one as well. And then finally we have the Cover FX Perfect Highlighting Palette, and this came out of this past holiday, and this is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite highlighting palettes ever. I just love the formula. I love that you can build these up, and I think again this will work for a variety of skin tones. So those were my face palettes that I currently own. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe down below, and don't forget to, you know, leave me a comment on what face palettes you currently own, and let me know what other face palettes I should check out. If you have one that you absolutely love, please let me know down below, because like I said, I love face palettes and I love trying out new ones. So I guess that's everything that I wanted to say for this video. So if you haven't already, please take a moment and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.